Hi there, everybody. Today, I have exciting news to share, and I wanted to make a quick announcement. My new program, Broken to Balanced, a game plan to improve your mother-daughter bond, has finally launched, and you can find it at brokentobalanced.com. Let me tell you a little about the program. Broken to Balanced is a 3-step course that will empower you to enhance and define your desired relationship with your mom and includes several resources, including 23 instructional videos, several guides, exercises, and worksheets, along with supplementary videos to show you how to use those guides and worksheets. In fact, one of the worksheets is called the Love List. And it's one of my favorites because it allows you to focus on 10 things you love about your mom. And you can refer to it at any time, even if you're not getting along with her. It's amazing what you can come up with if you just sit with it for a while. I actually had more than 10 about my mom. Anyway, if you want to hear me go more in depth about the love list that I created for my mom, you can visit the Focus Your Time podcast number 30 called The Law of Attraction, and there's a YouTube on it too. So, on top of the videos and worksheets, there are a few bonuses, which include 4 weeks of unlimited email coaching and additional guides, including the Beyond Boundaries Blueprint, which is a comprehensive guide with instructions for how to establish boundaries, which enables you to foster healthier connections and take control of your relationships. Throughout the course, you'll discover insights on how to cultivate a positive relationship with your mom without expecting her to change. You'll also have the chance to determine what a fulfilling relationship would entail on your own terms. I created this program because I know what it's like to struggle sometimes in a mother-daughter relationship. And I'm happy that because of these resources, my mom and I were able to find healing in our relationship. And this program is dedicated to my wonderful mom, whom I miss every single day. So whether you're struggling to maintain a difficult relationship with your mom, or you're estranged, or just want to improve communication with her, this course will provide you the resources you need to find the same peace that I did with my mom. To find out all the details, or again, to enroll in Broken to Balanced, visit brokentobalanced.com. My wish for you is that you experience a fulfilling journey toward healing and acceptance and strengthen your own mother-daughter bond. That's all I've got today. Thanks for coming, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.